Welcome to Muscle Mind Health. Get ready to ignite your inner strength and push your limits in today's workout to strengthen those inner pelvic floor muscles. Today's lineup of exercises is lying floor leg raise, adductor stretch, sky touches, twisting crunch, kneeling triceps extension, and one bonus exercise at the end. Get ready for the first exercise. Watch the video until the end and do not miss any exercises. Lying floor leg raise.
To perform lying floor leg raises, lie on your back with hands beneath your hips, palms down. Keep legs straight and together, raise them upwards using your lower abdominal muscles. Slowly lower them back down without touching the floor. This exercise targets lower abs for core strength and stability. Repeat the exercise. Benefit of lying floor leg raises: strengthen and tone the lower abdominal muscles effectively.
10 seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Benefit of adductor stretch: promotes flexibility and relieves tension in inner thigh muscles.
Get ready. Adductor stretch.
To perform adductor stretch, lie on your back and relax your arms down by your sides. Extend your legs vertical towards the sky. Engage your core for stability. Slowly spread your legs apart until you feel a stretch in the inner thighs. Hold for a few seconds and repeat several more times.
Ten seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Benefit of sky touches: helps strengthen the upper abdominal muscles and improves neck and core stability.
Get ready. Sky touches.
To perform sky touches in a hook lying position, lie on your back with your legs bent and feet flat. Keep your arms straight above your chest. While maintaining a relaxed neck, lift your head slightly off the ground, aiming to touch the sky with your fingertips. Engage your core for stability. Repeat the exercise.
Ten seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Benefit of twisting crunch is that it helps strengthen and tone the core muscles, improving overall core stability, posture.
Get ready. Twisting crunch.
To execute a twisting stretch, lie on your back, knees bent, and feet flat. Place hands lightly behind your head or crossed on your chest. Engage core muscles, lift your shoulders towards the ceiling while keeping lower back on the ground. Exhale as you crunch up, then lower back down. Repeat for reps.
Ten seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds.
Benefit of kneeling triceps extension: improves flexibility and targets the triceps muscles.
Get ready. Kneeling triceps extension.
To perform the stretching kneeling triceps extension, start by kneeling on the floor with your toes tucked under and hips resting on your heels. Place your hands flat on the ground, fingers pointing forward. Lower your upper body towards the floor by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your body. Push back up to the starting position, engaging your triceps. Repeat for a dynamic triceps stretch.
Ten seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds. Here is what you have been waiting for, the bonus exercise. Today we are adding the air twisting crunch bonus to finish off this exercise. Get ready. Air twisting crunch.
To perform the air twisting crunch exercise, lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your legs off the ground. Place your hands behind your head, elbows out. As you crunch, twist your torso to touch your left elbow to your right knee, then alternate sides. Engage your core for an effective twist and crunch combo. Repeat the exercise. Benefit of air twisting crunch: strengthens core muscles while enhancing oblique engagement for improved torso stability and flexibility.
10 seconds left. Congratulations on completing the workout. Remember, every rep brings you closer to your goals. Keep up the great work. Stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.